This is the largest amount that has been cut from a Maryland state budget in 16 years.
The state budget includes $2.3 billion in cuts and reductions. That's $500 million more than what Governor Moore originally proposed. But it wasn't clear still what would be cut.
It's a whole list of things.
Can you give us an example of one?
Vacancy reduction. Seat an hour.
The announcement focused more on what would not change.
94% of Marylanders will either get a tax cut or see no change in their income taxes.
We are not increasing the Maryland sales tax rate on goods. We are not adding a fee for deliveries. We are not increasing property taxes. We are not raising money from iGaming. We are not increasing the estate tax. We are not making changes to the car trade-in allowance. We are not imposing any new taxes on sugary drinks or snacks. We are not raising the gas tax.
The framework does narrow down the business-to-business service tax the governor previously rejected. They agreed on a 3% tax on data and IT services.
Our plan reaches services offered by companies that will help you build your website, like Wix, and companies that help you to store information on the cloud, like Amazon Web Services.
We are not touching anything related to accounting, payroll, staffing, office support, employment services, consulting, design and printing, public relations and marketing, or financial services.
The governor says this tax brings Maryland in line with other states in the country. And tax increases will be hitting the most wealthy with the creation of a high-income tax bracket. Governor Moore introduced that as a contrast to actions at the federal level.
So the White House cuts taxes for the rich and burdens everyone else with high prices. Here in Maryland, we're showing there's another way.
And while the governor said this budget would turn the $3 billion deficit into a surplus, he couldn't say what that amount was.
Well, we're still working through the final numbers.
And Senate and House Republicans weren't happy with the lack of specifics.
They couldn't even answer one question. Name one tax that you're going to cut. Name one cut. Couldn't answer it. We heard Trump, 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 and we're raising your taxes $1 billion. That was the net result of this press conference.